Liberty Mutual is a global insurance company. We cover all lines of insurance, personal lines, specialty lines, commercial lines. About 6 years ago, we started down the Zero Trust path. We had multiple security solutions, and that correlation between different technology vendors, different technology platforms, isn't always as seamless. So by being able to integrate on one solution for all of Zero Trust security, that data is correlating and it's integrating on day one. And it's also allowing our security professionals to be able to spend more time on threat detection, instant response, and those type of areas. In our journey with Zscaler, we started with ZIA. We then layered on ZPA for application and private access. We then layered on ZDX, and we layered on advanced deception technologies. And one of the big winners for us in all of that layering was the solution around cloud browser isolation. A lot of times when you think merger and acquisition, you don't necessarily think cybersecurity, but you should. And anytime you're making an acquisition, there's a lot of hurdles to jump over. So a solution like cloud browser isolation allowed us to quickly onboard employees, be able to give them access to the things that they need in our network. We have a lot of security ecosystems, and integrating Zscaler into that system allows our SOC, or Security Operations Center, to be able to do timely alert recognition. And when we looked at Zscaler, we said it's not going to be a huge burden to migrate these logs, and that allows us to correlate our Zscaler data against our other infrastructure data. If you're looking for a threat that's way downstream, we can identify that in Zscaler way upstream, and that makes a huge difference. We are at the heart very much an AWS environment when you think about where our applications live and where our cloud-first application builds are. AWS, I would categorize that as our application cloud. It's allowed us to not only reduce our physical data center space, but take advantage of the elasticity that the cloud offers, and that's both in performance and in cost. Zero Trust has played an important role in that. Being able to bring that security experience down to one security platform rather than trying to get authentication, identity, getting people onboarded into multiple security platforms, that can be a lot of onboarding. And with birthright provisioning that we've plugged Zscaler into, we've really taken that time down into hours. And generally, a new employee starts at Liberty Mutual and they're up and running on day one. Anytime we bring in a new technology, we'd like to eliminate 3 others. There is certainly not only a financial cost to that, a savings in terms of both CapEx and OpEx and maintenance renewal, but there's a human cost in that, meaning our employees are now more efficient. Zscaler was a great choice for us. At the end of the day, the ease of Zscaler, the ease of management, and the great amount of protection that we knew we would get from the solution was the pivot point for us.